Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how Germany invaded Norway. Germany initiated Operation Weserübung, a swift military campaign, to secure vital iron ore shipments from Sweden through Norwegian ports. This strategic move also aimed to establish crucial naval and air bases along Norway's extensive coastline. Furthermore, Germany sought to preempt any potential Allied occupation of Norway, which would threaten its northern flank and access to the Atlantic. The invasion was a complex operation involving both sea and air forces.
Next, let's dive into effective content review. A good AP government review book can significantly streamline your study process by summarizing essential information. Make flashcards for critical vocabulary, landmark Supreme Court cases, and the 9 foundational documents. Don't just passively read your textbook. Actively engage with it by highlighting and annotating important concepts and definitions as you go. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. On another note, if you're looking to make meal prep a breeze, check out these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, whether you're on the go or at home. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your Ford Fusion starts, it's time to disconnect the cables safely. First, remove the black negative clamp from the unpainted metal surface on your Fusion. Next, disconnect the black negative clamp from the working vehicle's battery. Finally, remove the red positive clamps, starting with the one on the work.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.